Yoga is a great practice for beginners as it helps improve flexibility, strength, balance, and mental well-being. If you're new to yoga, it's important to start with beginner-friendly poses and gradually build your practice. Here are some yoga poses and tips to get you started. 1. Mountain pose. Tadasana, stand tall with feet hip-width apart, arms relaxed by your sides. Focus on grounding your feet and lengthening your spine. Breathe deeply and hold the pose for a few breaths. 2. Downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana, start on your hands and knees, then lift your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape. Press your palms into the mat and lengthen your spine. Keep your knees slightly bent if needed. Relax your head and neck. Hold for a few breaths. 3. Child's pose. Balasana, from a kneeling position. Sit back on your heels and lower your torso forward, resting your forehead on the mat. Extend your arms in front of you or alongside your body. Relax and breathe deeply. 4. Warrior Eye. Virbhadrasana, I step one foot forward into a lunge position, keeping your back foot turned out slightly. Raise your arms overhead, palms facing each other. Square your hips forward and engage your core. 5. Bridge pose. Setu Bandhasana, lie on your back with knees bent and feet hip width apart. Press your feet into the mat as you lift your hips off the ground. Clasp your hands underneath you and roll your shoulders back. Remember these tips as you start your yoga journey. Listen to your body. Focus on your breath. Start slow. Find a qualified instructor. Be consistent. Remember that yoga is a personal journey, so be patient with yourself and enjoy the process. As you progress, you can explore more advanced poses and deepen your practice.